Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel IVOL Designing Developer, and I hope you all are fine and enjoying my videos till here which I am just uploading. So this video will be also really helpful for you if you want to learn Node.js and become a full stack developer. Node.js also like Europe, Python and HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So we'll be learning Node.js like previously I am uploading Node.js projects. So here today project is of like dynamic number project which will be making in Node.js. It is a backend project, so I can't show you in the front end like the REST API which we have made previously. So like that this is a project of dynamic number. Just you have to write the code, then run it in your terminal and just check. Also you can check that in your command prompt if you want to check. But it's your choice where to you run, like in terminal or command prompt. But I will be running in terminal because it will be really easy and good to show you like it is just running here. So now we'll be starting with a project which name is dynamic number in Node.js. So now here you can see, first of all I have to just open my VS Code, means my Visual Studio Code, my text editor in which I'll be writing code. So here I'll be writing VS, then I'll be pressing enter to just open my text editor. So you can see now it will be take some load, but it will be just open. Now in this file which is called node.js, which I've just made previously and saved in my local disk. So in this file I will be just simply working here because I don't have to make file again and again. So because of that there will be just flow on disk and there will be also just coming problems by writing code. So you can see at the top there is an import node from node.js, which is like a first command which we have to write when we are writing node.js. So you have to don't erase that, just erase these things which we have written previously if you are using the same file which you have used previously. But I am just using same file, so because of that that codes are running here. But if you are using your new file, so you have to write all these things again. So when you're done with that, just you have to move here and then you have to write here like first of all div tag, in which I will be writing all the things which I have to write. So just I'll be writing here like div class name, then move and write here like node, close here, then you have to just move down, then you have to just make a bracket here in which I'll be writing node filter, and in that you have to write app. So here you have to make two quotes, then you have to make a curly bracket in which I'll be writing node dot load dot filter. So you can see we have done with that. Just I'll be closing here, moving down, and here I'll be now simply writing filter app and make that to like equal to node. So when you've done that, close here, then just you have to move and write another thing which should be flow dot app dot, and then you have to write node here. So when you've done with that, so now you can see that we have just done till here. Now I will be just moving down, then I will be writing here like app, then just move forward again, then here I will be writing that to a tag which should be like import, then you have to write equal to, which should be like internal. So when you're done with that, just you have to close that again here, then you have to make a curly bracket again in which I will be writing here like filter, then you have to write here like dot import, then write here dot load. So we have done with that. Just I'll be now closing this curly bracket, and here I will be writing array to full, then here I will be just writing equal to, in which I will be writing external now because internal we have written at the top, closing here, making a curly bracket here again, then so just you have to make a curly bracket in which I will be writing like for dot load, and then you have to write legend. So you can see we have done with that. Just close this bracket again, then I will be moving down. Here I will be now writing that to like script. So write a script, then you have to write a professional equal, then just write that to a tag which should be like floor. Then when you're done with that, just you have to write this curly bracket in which I will be writing node.js and dot tutorial, then you have to just close here. So when you're done with that, just you have to do one thing here, like I will be moving down, then you can just write anything here because this is not any of the tag, this is the tag thing which I have to define, so I can remember these are the tags which I am writing here. So now I will be moving, then I'll be writing here professional load equal, then you have to write here another thing which should be like random, so write here. So when you're done with that thing, just you have to close here and write this curly bracket in which I'll be writing professional again, then I'll be writing dot random and dot close. Just I'll be closing simply here, so you have to close as it is like curly bracket like you have opened. Now I will be moving down here, I will be now writing that to like index option equal, then you have to write address, then you have to just close the bracket here and write a curly bracket in which I will be writing like array dot script dot flow. Now just I'll be closing this curly bracket here which I have just opened. Now just I'll be moving down again. Here I will be writing that to a tag which should be like article equal, but you have to move forward. Then write address equal, then you have to write script, go and just close this bracket like I have just closed. Then I will be doing one thing here, like I'll be making a curly bracket here in which I'll be writing like proc, and then you have to just do one thing, write dot, then write here like article, then you have to just write another thing which will be like animate. So here I will be now writing animate dot flow. So just you have to close this curly bracket. Okay, so when you're done with that, just move to file and just save that here again. Then you can see we have done with that. Just when you're done with that, move down here and then you have to write a tag which will be like audio. So write here audio, then you have to write here like context, then write here use and close this here. So when you're done with that, just you have to open here and then you have to write another tag which will be like type, and then you have to write dot check, and when you're done with that thing, just you have to write dot and then change that to a tag which will be like import. So when you're done with that, just you have to now make that to like this tag, save here, and when you're done with that, this is a small project, so now it is done. So when you will be running that, so you can just see what dynamic numbers you are just getting. So these will be your dynamic number when you will be running in terminal, like 2 5 or any of the number between 10, it will be just coming. So you can just think like it is a dynamic number which we are getting here. So like that you can build your own dynamic number project in Node.js in JavaScript. I hope you understand how to build one dynamic number project in Node.js, and I hope you are enjoying my previous videos also like you have enjoyed this one. So just I'll be meeting in next project. So for today, goodbye.